Yes, I'm glad you get it. Yes. The idea behind credit is stimulation. You want to stimulate your credit cards in order to build your credit. Having a credit card means absolutely nothing if you're not using it. So yeah, it actually is harmful. And actually sometimes paying off your credit card will actually drop your score. Yeah, believe it or not, it does. So listen, I don't recommend you keeping a balance on your credit if you're not doing anything in terms of your credit. So I'm not recommending you pay all this money in interest for no reason. Absolutely not. However, if you're trying to stimulate your score, go ahead and keep a small balance on there. Pay it down. Don't pay it off. Go get gas. Pay it down. Use it and don't abuse it. But having a zero balance or not using it, it absolutely hurts your score. So yeah, make sure you use your credit cards. Use them, don't abuse them. If you don't use them that often, use them sometimes, put it back, whatever. If you're not buying a house, you're not buying a car, you ain't really tripping off the credit, don't even worry about it. But if you are, if you need that extra, those extra points in order to qualify for something, go ahead and use it. Just use it and don't abuse it. Okay? Hope that helps. Take care and God bless. Ask Constance. Peace.